creating my Valentine's Day bundle. I already created the first gloss. I did this one yesterday. It's just a simple clear gloss. If you know, you know, I always have to have a clear gloss in my bundle. So it's peppermint scented. It has a bunch of beautiful, colorful decals inside, heart decals. You can never go wrong with a clear gloss, so you have to have it in the bundle. So that is the first gloss. And then for the second gloss, I'm gonna be doing a marble type gloss. I created this last week just to see how it would look, and it came out nice. So it has red and then 2 different pinks inside. So I did it in a squeeze tube just to test it out. Today we're gonna be using the wand tube. So I'm hoping it looks even better in the wand tube, because this is cute, but we're selling it in the wand tube. So we gotta make sure it looks good. This is gonna be bubblegum scented. This one is peppermint scented. If I didn't say so, I think I did. And then the third gloss is going to be a glitter gloss. I've never used this shade before. I bought some sample packs, so we're gonna use this for the third gloss. I have no idea what this scent is gonna be. So I already have my bowl out. I have to get my gloss base. I'm gonna fill this up with some gloss. Then I'm gonna split it just so that I won't waste gloss. We do not have gloss to waste. Once I do that, I will come back and we can go ahead and get started making these glosses. I kind of gotta hurry up because I got some stuff to do. So let's go ahead and get started. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And in the comment section, because we're all about engagement 2022, leave in the comment section which gloss is your favorite. And if you do have a business or you're doing something like Valentine's Day themed, leave in the comment section. I want to know. Talk to me. If you're not doing the Valentine's Day theme, anything for your business, then just leave a pink emoji, any pink emoji in the comments. So as you can see, I have my base ready and my oils are inside. Now I'm just gonna mix and then split them into these bowls. The gloss split. So let's go ahead and add the pigment.
I have a feeling that it was.
I'm gonna show you guys how I make my marble lip gloss. I watched a YouTube video. I think it was like from December, and that's how I figured out how to make it. Because I've been seeing people making like brown, like different shades of brown marble glosses, and it's so pretty. So I was like, I'm gonna make a marble gloss. I've never made one before. It'll be something different and it'll be cute. So these are the 3 colors that I'm using. So literally all I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of each. Like literally just going back and forth and adding a little bit. This is how it looks in the syringe. Now I'm just gonna take my tube, empty tube. A beautiful mixture of these 3 glosses. So this is the one that I did the other day. So this gloss is called Love Cycle. It's so pretty. Our first ever marble gloss. The next gloss is called On Your Mind. Make sure you go support the contents. On Your Mind is a glitter gloss. I think I'm actually gonna wear this today. Beautiful, look at the glitters. And this is the clear gloss. Once again, goes by the name Falling For You. And it has a bunch of heart decals, the different colors. Yellow, green, red, purple. You can find these on Amazon, and they have a ton on Etsy, but I got these from Amazon. I want to say 2020. So I'm just going to pick out the ones that I'm going to be using. You just put gloss on the applicator and make spots inside, and then you take your decals and stick them on the spots. I'm going to show y'all how it looks after. So this is how it would look. So now we're just going to fill this with our Bomb Clear Gloss, okay? And once again, this gloss goes by the name Falling For You. So pretty. This bundle is now available. Very limited. I'm gonna make a few more, but it is very, very limited. So if you haven't tried our glosses out, you might as well grab the bundle. Okay, you get a clear gloss, peppermint scented, super hydrating, super moisturizing, all of them. You get a glitter gloss, and then you get to try our new marble gloss. These are the glosses once again. Bomb, okay? Bomb. I make some beautiful bundles. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, leave a comment, leave the pink emoji. I think that's the one I said. Leave a pink emoji in the comments for me. If you want to further support, follow my Instagram, Sha'Naya's Beauty Bar. Like the content, save the content, try to reach more people, get more sales. Just make Naya's Beauty Bar worldwide, okay? That's what we're trying to do. And I just want to say, because this video is actually gonna be the first one going up, I have lots of content filmed. I just have to finish editing. I'm doing really good with the editing. It's almost done. I have to make thumbnails and stuff, but I just want to let y'all know I have content. I just have to finish getting it ready, basically. But I am filming. This is not the only video. I have way more. I'm coming back slowly but surely. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you're still here, thank you so much for the support. I truly appreciate it. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. And here are the swatches of the 3 glosses. So starting from the top, the clear gloss, Falling For You, On Your Mind, and Love Cycle. And I actually have On Your Mind on my lips right now, and it's so pretty.